how to run a Facebook Live open house. Happy Thriving Thursday. So I'm sure we're all missing having open houses right now. So you can do a live one on Facebook instead. You can even try weekday, Wednesday, Thursday, or even Friday around lunchtime to kind of spice it up. So before you begin, make sure you turn on all the lights and open the window so it will be well lit. You don't want a dark house. You can just use your cell phone, use a stabilizer or a selfie stick, and you're going to walk through the house and how you would show anyone else. So obviously you got to be a little comfortable being on video. So big thing to a successful Facebook Live open house is to pre-promote it. You're going to want to set up a Facebook event and promote that event, run an ad, share it in groups. And if you don't know how to do any of those things, please give me a call. I'd love to show you how to do them. Super easy. Don't got to be afraid of the technology. Keep it engaging. We want to give bullet points of the property and encourage comments so you can respond and be engaging, just how you would talk to a normal client. You might not get a lot of live viewers then, but it will be posted later for anyone to watch, and you can get more views then. So this is a great alternative to doing in-person open houses, a great way to sell a house, a great way to maybe get some more buyers since we can't do them how we would normally do them right now. So be open to doing a live one on Facebook. I think I'm going to try one next week, and I will let you know how it goes. I hope you guys are having a great Thriving Thursday and have a wonderful weekend.